The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Queensland, Australia, is one of the most remarkable natural wonders of our world. Stretching over 2,300 kilometers, it is the largest coral reef system on Earth and holds significant ecological, cultural, and economic importance. This essay explores the unique features of the Great Barrier Reef, its ecological significance, the threats it faces, and the importance of conservation efforts to preserve this extraordinary ecosystem for generations to come. The Great Barrier Reef is a mesmerizing tapestry of colors and life, comprising nearly 3,000 individual coral reef systems and hundreds of islands. The rich biodiversity found within its waters is astounding, from the vibrant coral formations in various shapes and sizes to the countless species of fish, turtles, dolphins, sharks, and over 1,500 species of colorful and awe-inspiring marine life. The reef is a captivating sight for visitors from around the world. Apart from being a breathtaking natural spectacle, the Great Barrier Reef plays a crucial role in the global ecosystem. Its immense coral structure acts as a protective barrier against storms and helps prevent coastal erosion. It provides a habitat for a vast array of marine species, including numerous endangered and threatened species that rely on the reef for their survival. Additionally, the reef supports commercial and recreational fisheries, contributing significantly to the Australian economy. Despite its magnificence, the reef faces numerous threats that endanger its delicate ecosystem. Climate change poses a significant risk, as rising sea temperatures result in coral bleaching, where corals expel the algae living within their tissues, causing them to turn white and potentially die if the conditions persist. Moreover, ocean acidification, caused by increasing carbon dioxide levels, diminishes the reef's ability to grow and repair itself. Additionally, pollution, coral disease, sedimentation, and unsustainable fishing practices further degrade this fragile ecosystem. Recognizing the cultural and ecological significance of the Great Barrier Reef, concerted efforts have been made to protect and preserve it. The Australian government, in collaboration with environmental organizations and researchers, is implementing various measures such as marine park zoning, fishing restrictions, and water quality improvement programs to safeguard the reef. Public awareness campaigns aim to educate visitors and locals about responsible practices to minimize human impact. International partnerships and research initiatives also contribute to understanding the threats to the reef and finding sustainable